longest key in the keyboard? Which key is the longest key on the keyboard? The answer is space bar key.
Space bar key
is the longest key on the keyboard. Next question. Which key is used for typing alphabets in capital?
Caps lock, sir. For caps lock key.
Caps
lock key is used for typing alphabets in capital. Caps lock key is used for typing alphabets in capital. Now answer the next question. Everyone, answer the next question. Answer the next question. Answer the next question. Which key is used to move the cursor to the next line?
Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, tell me.
Enter key. Enter key. Enter key.
Enter key is the right answer. Next question, everyone. Answer the next question. Name the key which appeared twice on the keyboard. Name the key which appeared twice on the keyboard.
Alt, Control. Sir, Alt, Shift and Control.
So?
Sir, Alt, Shift and Control key.
Alt is also correct. Shift is also correct. Control key is also correct. Option.
Alt, Shift, Control. Alt, Shift, Control.
Alt, Shift, Control.
Alt, Shift, Control is the right answer. Alt, Shift, Control is the right answer. My voice is breaking. My voice is breaking. So, one more time, I will send the link to everyone. Some problem from my side is there. So I will send the link again. Everyone will rejoin. सब लोग फिर से join करेंगे. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next question. Everyone try to answer the next question. The question is, which is a function key? Which is a function key? Which is a function key?
Sir, F1, F2. Sir, F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F10, F9, and F12. F11, F12.
So these are the functions.
Sir, F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12.
And F11, last one is F12. So these are function keys. These are function key on the keyboard. Keyboard में ये सारे के सारे function key होते हैं. So options will be given. Which one is a function key? In the exam, questions will be like that. See here, which one is a function key? So options will be given like that. This one is a function key or not? Option number B, this one is a function key or not? Next one. So the answer is
F1 to F12.
get everyone. So the answer is which one? F1 to F12. Yes, everyone answer. Which is a function key? Which is a function key? Question will be like that. Which is a function key? So options will be given like that. See here, everyone. Dollar.
F1, F12.
Concentrate here. F1 to F12. So second one is this. Now answer. Which one is the correct answer?
Sir, F10. Sir, DF10.
Sir, DF10.
DF10.
So the answer is D. F10. D is the correct answer. Like this, the question will be there in the exam. इसी तरह से एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन रहेगा, ठीक है ना? Which is not a function, which is a function key? So this is the function key, right? In this way, the question will be there. Anyone have any doubt in this question? Next question. Try to answer the next question. What is the shape of turtle? What? Yes, answer this question. What is the shape of turtle?
Triangular shape. Triangular.
What,
Triangular.
what is the shape of turtle? So turtle
Triangle.
triangular in shape.
Triangle.
So turtle is triangular in shape. Turtle is triangular in shape. Options will be given in the exam, and you have to select the correct answer. Next question. Now answer the next question, everyone. What is the extension of logo? What is the file extension of
Sir, dot LGO. Sir, dot LGO.
dot?
Sir, point LGO.
So point,
LGO.
not point, dot LGO. Swati, it is not dot. It is not point, it is dot. Dot LGO. Dot LGO. Right. Dot LGO is the file extension of logo. Dot LGO is the which key executes the logo command? Which key executes the logo command? Which key executes?
Enter key.
Enter key.
Enter key executes enter key executes the logo command. Enter key executes the logo command. Next answer, everyone. The next question: which command is used to exit from logo? Which command is used to exit from logo?
Sir, by command. Sir, by command. Sir, by command.
By command is used to
Sir,
exit from logo. By command is used to exit. Question, everyone. Try to answer the next question. Which command? I am removing these questions. Everyone. Now answer. Which command requires the number of steps with them? Require the number of steps.
RT command. RT command.
The answer is shift. There is
RT command. RT command.
RT command, LT command, FD command. Next one is BK command.
Sir, BK command.
Right. So these all are the correct answer.
Yes, sir.
अब आपको देखना है कि क्वेश्चन में ऑप्शन क्या है. अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑप्शन, सपोज HT will be there. B. Suppose A is HT, B is BK, C is CS command, D is CT command. So what is the correct answer?
Sir, BBK.
So BK will be,
BBK.
in this case BK will be the correct answer. So based on the options you have to write the answer, but these are the valid option answer. RT command, LT command, FD command, BK command. Everyone comfortable or not? सारे लोग को समझ में आ रहा है ना सारा क्वेश्चन?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
वो यह जिसको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा, आकृति कुमारी. Any doubt in any question? Answer, everyone. Which is the
Okay,
home
sir.
position of turtle? What is the home position of turtle? What is Khushi Kumari, concentrate here. What is the
Screen.
Center of the screen. Center of the screen.
center
Yes,
of the
sir,
screen is the home position of turtle. What is Anushka Raj, Neeti Raj? Any doubt? Anyone?
No, sir.
No doubt.
Khushi Kumari, concentrate
No, sir,
here.
no doubt.
Concentrate on the screen, everyone. Don't look here and there. If you look here and there, then you will miss the questions, whatever I am discussing. Question, everyone try to answer. Which key moves the cursor to the beginning of a line? Which key moves the cursor to the beginning of a line? Which key moves the cursor to the beginning of a line? Which key moves the cursor to the beginning of a line? Which key?
Sir, home key.
Sir, home key.
Very good, Anupriya. Home key. So,
Sir, home
some students are there like Khushi Kumari, not answering any question. Anugya Lakshmi. So, why you all are here?
Sir, I am answering in the chat box.
Yes, sir. I also.
So, some
Sir, I'm
students are
answering.
answering in the chat box. Yes. Alka
Sir,
Rani
I-
is also
sir, I
answering.
am
Akshat
answering.
is also writing the answer. So, at least those, at least you can write in the
Sir,
chat
I
box also.
also.
Tanu Kumari and Khushi Kumari. Both of you. Either you speak in the class or you write in the chat box so that your concentration is here only. You will be in the class only. समझ में आ रहा है? या तो आप लिखिए यहाँ पर, ना तो बोलते रहिए। क्या होगा कि आप लोग का कंसंट्रेशन जो रहेगा क्लास में ही रहेगा, नॉट इन द whatever is going in the home. घर पे क्या चल रहा है वो आपके दिमाग में नहीं आएगा. Next question is, which key moves the cursor to the end of a line? Which key moves the cursor?
Sir, end key.
End key.
End key.
End key is the
End
right
key.
answer.
Sir, end key. End key.
End key moves the cursor to the end of a line. So the right answer is end key. End key is the right answer. Next question. Everyone.
Sir, my brother is saying end key.
Over end key. Next question. Which keys are known as cursor control key? Some students are discussing on different topics. So class is going on. Try to answer.
Arrow key.
Arrow key is the right answer. Arrow key is the right answer. Good. Key are known as cursor control key. The answer is arrow keys. Arrow key, or this is also called as
Arrow key.
in the option. Suppose arrow key is not there, navigation key is given, then you have to select the navigation key only. Both are same. Either you can tell arrow key, or either you can select the arrow key or navigation key. Both are same. Arrow key and navigation key is same. No difference. Right? So the answer is arrow. 100 Pooja, Anubhav, Akshat, very good. Everyone is writing. Almost everyone is writing the answer in the chat box.
Sir, 100 key. Sir, 104 key.
Next question, everyone try to answer. Now answer everyone the next question. Software is the answer. Okay. Everyone try to answer.
Please.
Right answer is operating system.